Meghalaya pays tribute to one of its tallest political leaders, late Dr. Donwa Dethwelson Lapang. A veteran statesman and former Chief Minister, Dr. D.D. Lapang leaves behind a legacy of public service that spanned decades. Born in 1934 in Ribhoi district, Dr. Lapang began his career from humble beginnings before entering public life. His political journey saw him rise to prominence as a legislator, minister, and eventually as Chief Minister of Meghalaya on multiple occasions. During his tenure, he played a crucial role in providing political stability and guiding the state through important phases of growth and transition. He was known for his emphasis on grassroots empowerment, local governance, and inclusive leadership. Dr. D.D. Lapang's long career in public service earned him widespread respect across political and community lines. He was regarded as a leader who maintained close ties with the people, and his approachable nature made him a trusted figure among citizens. Beyond politics, he was seen as a mentor, a fatherly presence for many, with his influence extending into social and cultural spheres of Meghalaya. His life and work remain an enduring example of commitment to service, integrity in leadership, and dedication to the welfare of the state. As Meghalaya bids farewell to Dr. D.D. Lapang, the state remembers him not only as a political leader, but as a guiding figure whose contributions will continue to inspire generations. Following the demise of late D.D. Lapang, there will be a state mourning for 3 days from the 13th to 15th of September 2025. As per arrangements, there will be a service at Lachumere at 10 a.m. on the 15th of September, followed by a state funeral at 1 p.m. at the Students' Field, Jayao, and thereafter a service to be conducted by the Jayao Presbyterian Church at 2 p.m. before late Dr. D.D. Lapang's mortal remains are laid to rest at the Jayao Presbyterian Church Cemetery at Waking, Shillong.